Nah. Spanner, you self, you and food there. Nah. You like food pass any other thing, no? Huh? You should say you don't like food pass your woman. Huh?
Can't talk with that one.
But ask you, why be say anytime I see you for the shop water? Why? So,
Babe,
but I'm not lying now.
wait till you go find fellowship.
Babe, don't tell me this is true.
Spanner. Spanner, I don't like this way you talk. Yeah? You dey see me for shop water, you dey see me for. You sure say na me dey see here?
What you talk with the bad there?
If eventually or peradventure or any venture or however or wherever, if to say no only me, now they do this kind of thing or say me I don't no only me to do this kind of thing, only me wey don dey go for shop water before for life. Say for this life, no only me, the only person for this life dey go shop water. Make wetin I dey find to court make I no see am. But if no be me peradventure, if any venture or however or whosoever or say one day say you don go for a shop water before make amadu oha egbe eligwe egbe tiaba.
Wait. Which one? What you come bring insult for this talk now?
Which one be insult again?
Why they cost me now for this talk? What if this talk? Why they cost me?
Which one because again?
Why they cost me now? Director, I beg no best. Which can play? Which one say?
Can you mean the court? The boy now.
Okay.
The boy now.
But this one, no.
Look, some. Wetin your storyline dey talk there? You dey.
Wetin dey make you the quarrel?
No, everything for here na conversation.
Conversation.
For the script, it
Yes.
cost me. You talk something wey go react to
Yes.
the whole reaction.
So-
wey make me react to the reaction.
So-
wey bring the reaction of the cause.
Will you stop talking too much? Some
Sorry, everything.
deliver your lines for me.
So, if any ever or however,
Oga, wait for my action. It's about Amani.
Aye.
Wait for my action.
ayi,
Parce que non, aïe. Kefe Zlatan na cheba. Kefe Master Zlatan with aïe.
ayi. Let's go.
Idiot. Action.
I know they shoot again now. If not to make this guy.
Spanner, why you?
Sit down yours.
Spanner, there you make we finish this
Sit down
thing now.
yours. The boy now.
Let them beat me like I
So I have the right to maltreat you anyhow I want.
to maltreat me. Okay, this one have the right to insult me in front of my woman. Which can play that
Who
one?
is your woman?
For the set now, no be
For who? Onya Melia, your woman.
Spanner, do this thing, na make we comot for here.
Onya Melia, your woman. That you even not joking. Because Onya Melia, your woman.
for the script now. The thing with the shoot.
Both of you should be careful. And may we walk on our sons and nursing good. Idiot. Onye kuna me bole egbo. Onye solo wherever.
Other pronoun.
Onye suro where. Osi na egbola me egbo.
On me, Oshari.
Okushare. Obola so okushare.
Spanner, make we do this thing now. If anybody peradventure, okay, let put you on action. Sorry, sir.
Come on, will you give me my palms? This one more. If anybody peradventure. Onweben there peradventure na street.
This is
Amani onweben there peradventure.
you know there's some ways they do.
I am not Ugesu. I am Oga Director when you look at it. Ekele olu
But no be like
Ekele olu eke. Come on, now why you also?
even a man in Germany never did
Come on,
that.
sit down there.
I don't lose my lines. If my lines don't come off.
Can you name me?
At the record.
You again, Kodo.
At the record.
The record, okay.